open our Bbq Hibachi grill. Let's open. Let's unbox it. Brand new Hibachi grill. We have this one. Let's put it here. One here. In here, two handles, one handle, and a tray here. Instruction is on the lower part. And here is the grilling part. There you go. It's brand new. It's a brand new one. The screwdriver. Okay, this is the screws. You need to open the screws here. Use this screw. Okay, let's begin. Screw. This is the handle. Here is this way, and you put the screw here. Let's put the screw. The stopper. There you go. Here you go. Meron ng handle. Another handle here. Let's put the screw over here. Let's stop it. Screw stopper. You can see this corner. There's a line over there. I have to put this on this side. Go. There's a side. There's a slide in here to slide down. There's a side here. You have to slide it. There you go. So it's steady now. Now we go to the handle. This side there's a hole in here. There's a two hole in here. I had to put this hole. And this one we need to screw over on the side. Let's screw this one first. Let's screw on the side. This is the handle. Screw in here, over here. Now we got two handles here. Here's the two handles on the side of the barbecue. This is the handle. The handle over here, and we have to screw it here. Screw over here. There's a hole in here. And put this handle here. Just need to be tightened. Now we have a handle. Here's the handle. It's done. One handle is here, one handle is here, and here it is. There's a handle. Now we're down for the handle. This is where you put the stand. The charcoal fire in here, and oil dripping. So we have to put this here. Here is, as you can see, there is a lock over here to stand for the rib to stand. It should be on this side to stand up, so it is locked. I have to put it in this way. Okay, before you put that, you have to be sure it is staying on the side. Now I've done it. See, you have to put it in this way. This is a little stopper in here to lock down. And this should be in the line on this part, laying on this. See this? Okay. And here's the stand. Now you put it in this part. Here. For this area, there's a hole in here. You have to put this. This is adjustable air vent to close the closing in here. So we have to put this one in this way to adjust the air vent. Put this in this way, then close it. Have to lock it down there, and to lock it here. And you have to screw it. You have to screw it, lock it up. Here's the stopper. Here is the cover. Now we assemble it. This one is used. Now this one is used to put it in here. You have to screw. You have to slide in here on this side. There you go. It's so easy to slide. Easy to slide on this side. There's a slider there, and now you put the two skewers. Have to put this in here while you're barbecuing. Have to put it in this way. Now you got two barbecues down. Good. Here is to put on the lower side. Put it on the lower, and then here this way. There you go. And now you have a barbecue stand. And here is the vent, adjustable air vent. Now you got the stand of barbecue. It's done.